here in civil disobedience movement there was class conflict, ठीक है, on the issue of women's participation, ठीक है, women's participation in politics was disliked, ठीक है, by Mahatma Gandhi. Clear? Because his view was quite different. He thought that women should do indoor activities. Understand? Yes. Clear? And his, view was quite different. He thought that women should do domestic works, okay? And they had to work in, to raise the children, and they have to become a good wife, good husband, means you can say they had to do all domestic works especially, okay? Because they cannot bear heavy work, and politics is a dirty game, okay? That's why women should keep away from this system. Understand? And in this way, second thing, views of Congress towards workers and poor farmers was conflicting. Clear? Because poor farmers wanted no rent, they should pay no rent, but Congress refused, isn't it? Yes. They never liked that rent should be, they thought that rent should always be paid, because Congress party members, they belongs to landlords and talukadars, isn't it? They had, a special background from higher and rich family. That's why they always wanted that at least rent should be paid. Otherwise, there will be less earning, isn't it? So this was a major point that made a, less participation of lower section in civil disobedience movement, and women also. Most of the women, they refused, understand, and it became one of the challenging feature. And third point was untouchability. It was the third limitation of civil disobedience movement. Untouchability means there was large section of Dalits and depressed class people. Understand? And these people, they had a special, you can say, population. Understand? And they were hated by higher class people. Understand? And these higher class people, they had always maintained differences between them and kept distance. Social distancing was more, isn't it? Between, you can say higher class people and depressed class people. Okay? That's why they were hated and rejected. Okay? They were not allowed to keep water, to get water from public well. They were not allowed to go in the public temples. Even they had, you can say they were also hated. Means wherever shops were there, tea shops, there were special glass for such people, isn't it? But it means depressed class people. That's why Mahatma Gandhi thought that without participation of untouchables or depressed class or Dalit people, civil disobedience movement cannot be successful. Okay? He thought that we have to take all these hands together and we have to, then we can make effective mass action. That's why to dignify their, you can say dignity, means to dignify their respect and to dignify their caste, Mahatma Gandhi himself cleaned toilets. ठीक है. He worked for Bhangi toilets and he also had done many types of activities so that all the people they get some ointment on their wounds. Understand? He applied ointment by working as a toilet cleaner, ठीक है, and healed the wounds of such people who were so much hatred and who had lot of differences with higher class people, ठीक है. Mahatma Gandhi also told that these peoples are Harijan. He declared them Harijan so that their dignity towards Hinduism it should get improved and they should have healthy relationship. ठीक है. They called them Harijan. It means the son of God, isn't it? The people of God. That's why, so that the higher class people they should have less confliction. They should have quite affection with them because they are connected to God, isn't it? So these were the efforts that was made by Mahatma Gandhi to dignify the respect and the status of depressed class people, that is Dalits or oppressed class people. Understand? And the head of this party, that is depressed class people, they thought that once Congress people they are hating us, Congress people are not doing any effort, only Mahatma Gandhi has made effort. That's why they had sympathy with Mahatma Gandhi, but not Congress people, because Congress people had always differences with them. That's why all depressed class people, oppressed class, or these people Dalits, they were organized in a community and it was known as DCA, Depressed Class Association. It was formed by B.R. Ambedkar, ठीक है, डॉक्टर B.R. Ambedkar, ठीक है, in 1930, ठीक है. So this depressed class association limited, understand, it had limited the movement of civil disobedience alliance. Understand? Means they had not participated, they refused to participate, ठीक है, and they stopped other peoples of their community to participate in any type of movement organized under civil disobedience movement banner. Understand? So the momentum of civil disobedience movement that become zero, right? And Mahatma Gandhi realized this thing. Clear? And the main reason was that these depressed class association, ठीक है, they wanted that we should be given a separate constituency because we are hated by higher classes, ठीक है. That's why you separate us. We will make our own state, we will make our own constitution, and we will also do this thing, right? So here Mahatma Gandhi realized all these things. Clear? And depressed class association was formed. In this one they had a special demand of separate constituency, and this separate constituency it was supported by all depressed class people, okay. And in this way Congress party members they could not compromise with them, understand. And Lord Irwin he had become one of the important element of this movement. He took advantage, okay. This man took advantage of such thing. Clear? Yes. And finally what happened, this depressed class association it became one of the hurdle in Indian movement. And Lord Irwin, when Mahatma Gandhi was invited for second round table conference in London, the main issue came of depressed class association and their demand of separate constituency, in which Mahatma Gandhi had no answer. Understand? Lord Irwin and Queen made argument that what are your actions towards depressed class people? In your country there are a lot of issues. You have no unity at all. you are rejecting depressed class people, then how can we make you independent, right? So Mahatma Gandhi became disappointed on this issue. ठीक है? When he returned to India, after just returning, next day he started fast unto death. ठीक है? Mahatma Gandhi kept fast unto death, and this fast ran up to 28 days. हैं? हाँ, no, वो फर्स्ट कैंसिल हुआ था, सेकेंड कॉन्फ्रेंस कोई से नहीं हुआ था, उनके डेलीगेट से हुआ था, नहीं तो किसी से भी नहीं किया। ये कैंसिलिंग हुआ था, वो कैंसिल का मतलब था कि जो है ये इशू जो था उसमें महात्मा गांधी बिकेम डिसअपॉइंटेड। अंडरस्टैंड? मीटिंग वाज हेल्ड विद लॉर्ड इरविन इन लंदन, अंडरस्टैंड, बट क्वीन डिड नॉट कम देयर, अंडरस्टैंड, बट द मेन इशू वाज ऑफ डिप्रेस्ड क्लास, understand, and in this issue, you know, Mahatma Gandhi became disappointed, returned to India, and he kept fast unto death. And finally, when depressed class people realized that Mahatma Gandhi's condition was becoming worse day by day, then they made compromise, they made agreement, and in this agreement all these peoples, they had a, you know, you can say proposal. They demanded that we should be given, if we will leave the demand of separate constituency, if depressed class people has been given, you know, reservation in their seats, agree? If they are reserved in educational institutions, they are reserved in politics, that is in constituency elections, if seats are reserved, then we can do all these activities, okay, we can so this, you know, depressed class issue, it was a burning issue for Indian politics and Indian independence, ठीक है? And Mahatma Gandhi finally made compromise after giving reservation in seats, in constituency elections, in educational institution, and in jobs, understand? And then this, you know, this movement, that is the demand of depressed class association, it became slow day by day. But another issue came, that the issue of Muslim League, ठीक है? Then Muslim League leader Muhammad Ali Jinnah, ठीक है, demanded separate constituency, ठीक है, demanded separate constituency for Muslims, because why he did so? Because he found that Congress leaders, they were reluctant to the issues of Muslims, understand? They never accepted their issues, understand? Clear? In this way, these people, they hated them, and Muslim League leader, his demand became stronger and stronger day by day. Clear? And it created a hurdle in civil disobedience movement. Muslim community, they rejected every type of movement. The reason behind was that they wanted that we should also be given reservation in political कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसीज लाइक B.R. अम्बेडकर, ठीक है? इन्होंने कहा कि हम पाकिस्तान का डिमांड छोड़ देंगे, ठीक है, वी विल लीव द डिमांड ऑफ पाकिस्तान इफ वी आर ऑल्सो गिवन रिजर्वेशन इन कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी इलेक्शंस। मीन्स जैसे हमारे SC ST के लिए रिजर्वेशन किया जाता है, वैसे मुस्लिम्स के लिए भी सीट रिजर्व की जाए, ठीक है? ये डिमांड था मोहम्मद अली जिन्ना का। बट द लीडर ऑफ हिंदू महासभा M.R. जायकर, ठीक है, ही रिजेक्टेड दिस प्रपोजल। उन्होंने कहा दैट हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी शुड लिव सेपरेटली, ठीक है? M.R. जायकर ने क्या कहा कि जो हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी है, इट शुड लीड अ सेपरेट कम्युनिटी एंड इट शुड बी सेपरेटेड जोग्राफिकली एज वेल, ठीक है? ही रिजेक्टेड दिस प्रपोजल, द यू मीन्स दिस डिमांड, ठीक है, जो इनका डिमांड था, it was totally rejected, and you know at that time Muslims, they became happy because they were given a separate area, that is West Pakistan and East Pakistan after partition. ठीक है, but before that this issue, ठीक है, it stopped totally civil disobedience movement. ठीक है, the issue of, ठीक है, the issue of reservation, ठीक है, of Muslim seats, ठीक है, Muslim seats in constituency elections, ठीक है, increased more resistance, ठीक है, more resistance in the path of, ठीक है, of civil disobedience movement, ठीक है, path of civil disobedience movement, isn't it? सबसे बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस क्रिएट हो गया, ठीक है, 2000 ओम का रेजिस्टेंस. क्लियर? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी से मिल करके तो महात्मा गांधी ने खिलाफत मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया था, जिसकी वजह से जो है उन्होंने उनकी जड़ें हिला दी थी. लेकिन जब इस कम्युनिटी ने सेपरेट कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी की बात की और उसके बाद जब इन्होंने कांग्रेस लीडर्स एंड हिंदू महासभा के सामने प्रपोजल रखा कि शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स की तरह जैसे डिप्रेस्ड क्लास एसोसिएशन को आपने रिजर्वेशन दिया है, हमको भी दो, ठीक है, तो इस पे अहमद जाकर ही रिफ्यूज्ड, ठीक है, एंड इट बिकेम मीन्स इट ब्रॉट अ फुल स्टॉप on civil disobedience movement, and it was one of the major limitation of this movement. Clear? So it became a issue, isn't it? And people, they created you can say a hurdle, ठीक है, in the movement, and Mahatma Gandhi, he became helpless at that time, ठीक है, and just after this issue civil disobedience movement, Mahatma Gandhi, he became helpless. He again started fast. Clear? And then some compromises were made, ठीक है. They told that first we will make our country independent, then partition will take place, not before that. And all these leaders, they were determined for quit India movement, ठीक है, उन्होंने क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट के लिए कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ किया. And then this movement got another, you can say, shape, एक दूसरा शेप ले लिया, the shape of quit India movement. अब सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट का कॉन्सेप्ट क्या हो गया यहाँ पे, एक तरीके से नलीफाई हो गया, it was nullified, understand? And a new movement Mahatma Gandhi launched, that was quit India movement in 1942. It was started. Before that, these issues were stronger and stronger. Clear concept? And in this way, there are source study in your book in which Muhammad Iqbal, ठीक है, he gave his comment that the decision of separate constituency for Hindu and Muslim is positive decision, because when both communities they will live in separate constituency, then there would be less, you can say, conflict, and issues will be solved easily. They can develop their community, understand, and they can live harmoniously, ठीक है, and brotherhood can be cultivated very easily, ठीक है, and their politics will be stable. If they are united again, then there will always be a issue of religious matter. There will be religious violence, religious conflict, and people cannot cultivate their religions independently, isn't it? And it will create a situation of instability. This was the views of, these were the views of Mr. Iqbal. Who was Muhammad Iqbal? He was leader of Muslim community, understand? He was the leader of Muslim League, Muhammad Iqbal, and he wrote a very famous song. कौन सा सॉन्ग लिखा था मोहम्मद इकबाल ने? सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा, ठीक है? इट वॉज रिटन बाय मोहम्मद इकबाल. He was a very famous personality at that time, but he never participated in politics. ठीक है? He was in only that sector. That's why his views that was honored. ठीक है? And people of Muslim community and Hindu community accepted his views. ठीक है? And partition, the path of partition of both countries means both countries became positively effective, and it was a determined path, and they had decided to live in different constituencies. Clear? So there are issues of civil disobedience movements and limitations. Clear? And in this limitation we can consider many ideals. Mahatma Gandhi's ideal was very important. This man, he had, compromised with his inner conscience. उन्होंने अपनी inner conscience को kill कर दिया for the upliftment of depressed class people. ठीक है? He left his dignity. ठीक है? And apart from his own self-respect, he started a campaign of, Harijan, and he also cleaned toilet. He also passed a message in the society that we should not disrespect all such works. All works are same. ठीक है? It should not be hated. ठीक है? He worked as a sweeper. He worked as a in sweeper works, and he demonstrated all these activities. It shows the real spirit of Mahatma Gandhi. That's why he was respected, isn't it? At that time, Congress leaders, they were away from these issues, isn't it? And that's why they had very less respect. Clear? And along with that, these types of movements, such type of movements, they had shaken the roots of colonial government, isn't it? Now they had no option at all how to keep themselves settled there, because national unity, the wave of nationalism became stronger and stronger between these communities. Now people became aware of, okay? Now they were understanding their self-respect. They were understanding that their actions that will generate a self-rule, and the significance of Swaraj, it can be obtained only by uprooting or overthrowing colonial government from this country, isn't it? This thought, this opinion became stronger day by day, and Hindu-Muslim unity, it was at the national level, it was stronger. At local level, there were differences, okay? But at national level, they had firm unity, isn't it? For the independence matter, they were very united, and they had shown a stronger bond for Hindu-Muslim unity, and they created a, you can say, positive atmosphere for the separation of two countries. And this civil disobedience movement, it became a golden page in Indian history, isn't it? Because by means of these movements, understand, the roots of colonial government was shaken very heavily, isn't it? And their views, it created national insult for colonial government in national level. They had used the concept of French Revolution, okay? They had used the concept of American Revolution, and they had utilized the idea of unity and mass action. Okay? The Russian Revolution, it was also obtained on the path of mass action, isn't it? That's why Mahatma Gandhi realized this thing, and it had created a golden path, and India won its freedom well in time. Clear? But there was a significant sacrifices made by Dalits, which is still, okay, cultivated in India like country, and in many other countries it is also cultivated, because still Dalits and depressed class peoples are same in same category in Indian society, isn't it? So there should be a reform. There should be social reform for such classes, and people should be, youth means you can say they should be helped by higher class members, isn't it? So this can be a conclusion of this lesson. Tomorrow we will start the next topic and the last topic of this lesson. Okay.